Good morning, students. This is Suraj Patel and welcome to Maths Chef YouTube channel. And today is the next concept, section from the chapter 7, that is coordinate geometry. Right? Coordinate geometry. In the previous class, we have solved some basic concept, distance formula. Okay. In previous class, we have solved the distance formula. Okay. Distance formula. D is equal to under root of point x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 whole square in it, right? In it. Then here also with respect to special case, it's called origin. Okay, origin we have x square plus y square. Okay, distance from origin. Distance from horizon, not origin, is origin. Okay, horizon is different. In previous class, we discussed the distance formula. What is D is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1. We can take here also y1 minus y2 because they have the square. Any negative becomes positive. So you have the complete liberty to take the difference. Just to take the difference of the two given data points, ordinates, coordinates, right? So it is the section formula. Let's consider there is a line here. Okay, there is the point P, something as x1 and y1, right? And point here P, x2 and y2. The point other M is divides the line in the 2:3 form, right? 1:2 ratio or 2:3 ratio or anything else. Okay. Then how to find the point between this one, x and y? This is called section formula. Means the point here, it's not a midpoint. Midpoint is a special case where the section becomes two equal sections, right? Section means becomes one section, two section, different sections. That point, that's what we call section formula. Okay, how to find where the point is. Where the point is divided, given the ratio, the distance ratio. Let's take the 4 in it. Okay, this is the 4 in it. So this becomes 3 now. Then if I want to divide the line into 1:3, I have to make the 4 parts. I have to take the 1 part, 1:3 ratio. Then what the point this one? The line is 4 units. Then I want to point at 1 unit or 2 unit or 3 unit. Then what would be the points? Right? That's the solution here. That's the concept here. Let's derive the section formula. Right? Derivation. Because this does not have right. Derivation. Again, we are going to use the similar of the triangle, right? So this is the origin, okay, and this is the line distance with the P, right? This is the point. Let's take the points from okay. This is the point A, X and Y. Then this is the point is dividing the X, Y, and the end point is, or the end point is B, X2, Y2, X2, Y2. And the ratio is M1 and M2. Okay. Let's see the basic concepts here. Have the line in a coordinate plane, right? Have the line in a coordinate plane x. This is x dash. This is origin. This is y. This is y dash. Right? This is the coordinated axis. Y-axis, x-axis. This is the line in the coordinate axis. Okay. The given is the point, there is a line AB. Okay, where the point divides the AB in the ratio M1 into M3. M1 is to M3 means 4 means 1 is to 3 now I can divide. 5 means 2 is to 3 can divide. Right? I have to make the 5 parts, take the 2 parts and take the 3 parts. 2 is to 3. Right? Like that. Then how to find the point X and Y with respect to given parameters. Okay? Just what I am doing here. Okay? Just draw the perpendicular line to the X axis first. Okay? This is one. A from the all points, right? Okay, this becomes O. First one is R, second one is S, next one is T. Okay, see, I'm not writing the parameters here. Just see, whenever you are solving the exam, na, see, all students are, I think I'm saying they are not following the books. What is given in the chapter? That is enough. That is the very bad thing that happening. See, this is the class is just good. We get the glimpses of the which one textbook. So teachers never complete, okay, give the complete knowledge in the book, whoever it may be, because that books is made by the chapter is re-evaluated, corrected, made by the professors, 3 more professors, and they are the multi-level correction, right? Multi-level checking. That's why we can explain a concept, we can give the example, whatever it may be, but you're following the books knowledge is very important. Okay, after watching the class, all students, please go through the books, read the books contents, perfect that contents. Now you will get the out of 4 marks, right? What I'm doing here, so drawing the lines perpendicular to the x-axis from the given points aligned. Also, I am drawing the points. This is called AQ perpendicular to line PS and PC perpendicular to line BT. Right. Okay. So this is X. This is X1, Y1. This is X1, and this becomes X minus X1 whole line. Right? Okay, and this line, and this becomes x2, and this becomes, okay, x2 minus x. This only line becomes, this line becomes x2 minus x na, this one. Okay, so simple. This line is parallel, x is parallel to PC. This also becomes x2 minus x1, and this line parallel to AQ. This becomes x minus x1, right? Similarly, this line is, see, if you draw here, na, this is y, this is y1, this becomes y minus y1, and this becomes y2 minus y, because na, this is y and this is y, this is y2, this is y, right? You can write the plan. Okay, so I am here going to the conditions. Okay, so in similarity you can prove it. Triangle APQ similar to triangle PBC. Why? Because sub C. If you want, so I will take the extra one point here. Okay, just only for the this becomes C dash, or you can write C dash. Right now, triangles. Consider triangles P A P Q and right. Triangle A B C dash. Triangle APQ and triangle ABC C dash. ABC dash. APQ whole triangle ABC dash. Right? Right. What the corresponding A is equal to angle A is equal to angle A because common angle in the triangles, and angle Q is equal to angle C dash implies 90 degree. Therefore, by a similarity, okay. Since this is the extra work I am writing here in exam and derivation in notebook also, no need to write. Only for the conceptual understanding I am writing this one, right? By a similarity, triangle APQ similar to triangle ABC dash. ABC dash, okay. Then by proportional theorem, BPT, basic proportional theorem, what we can have, AB by AP, we can have AB by AP is equal to next AC dash by AQ, then BC dash by PQ, right? Then AB you can write AP plus PB. AP can write AB plus PQ. Already we solved so many questions here. So directly I can take the similarity, but still I am proving this. Okay, how AP by BP becomes, right? AB you can write AP plus PB by AP is equal to AC can write as AQ plus C. AQ plus Q dash C. AQ plus QC dash by AQ is equal to BC dash BC plus CC dash BC plus CC dash by PQ, right? This implies next step is what? AP by AP cancel. Okay, I will write here 1 plus PB by AP is equal to, okay, AQ by AQ get cancelled. What is the Q dash, QC dash here? Okay. QC dash here can write as the PC by PQ, PC by AQ can write Q dash C, QC dash C is equal to PC. So this I am writing AQ get cancelled, 1 plus PC by AQ is equal to BC by CC dash. What is CC dash here, sir? PC, PQ, CC dash PQ na? Right? Then BC by PQ, because CC dash is equal to PQ, PQ by PQ is equal to 1. Here I have 1. This one get cancelled. Right? You can take it out. So what the remaining you got is PB by AP is equal to PC by AQ is equal to BC by PQ. This is the derivation. See here I taken these steps only for AP by, right, PB by AP, PC by AQ and BC by PQ. Right? Na? So in exam you can write triangles APQ and PBC. Okay, this implies na? This implies, correct? Triangle APQ is similar to triangle PBC. Okay, so they can interchangeable. See here PB is there, now you can write PBC similar to APQ also. You can write, right? That's implies na. So in exam or in derivation or in notebook, right? Triangle APQ and ABC, triangle APQ and PBC. APQ and PBC are similar. Therefore, AP by PB or PB by AP. Write the corresponding values. PB by AP, BC by PQ and PC by AQ. Right? You got it now? BC by AQ. Just put the corresponding value here. What you have got na corresponding value here. Okay, what we got here? PB by AP is equal to PC by AQ is equal to BC by PQ. Write the put all values here. Okay, you know already well. What is APB here? X2 minus X1 divided by what is AP here? M1. Right? AP right? PB is M2. Right? PB is M2. What is PC here? PC is X2 minus X. Right? PC is X2 minus X divided by what is AQ here? X minus X2. This is not something else, na? Very important. X2 minus X. Right. X1. X minus X1. Right. X2 minus X. This one. Okay. What the PC is here? PC. X2 minus X. What the AQ is? X minus X1. And what is BC here? BC is Y2 minus Y divided by what is PQ? PQ is Y minus Y1. Y minus Y1. Right? This is point X1. This is the point X. This is the point X2. Similarly, this is the point Y1. This is the point Y. And something is this is the point Y2. Right? Corresponding one. Just see the cross multiplication. Right? What you will get? First one, M2 by M1 is equal to X2 minus X1 X divided by X minus X1. This implies, right, cross multiplication. M2X minus M2X1 is equal to M1X2 minus M1X. Okay, take the common terms. We can write na M2X plus M1X is equal to M1X2 plus this M2 goes to right side, M2X1. X is common here, so I am taking X into M1 plus M2 is equal to M1X2 plus M2X1. So what the value of X is equal to M1X2 plus M2X1 divided by M plus N. Okay, M1 plus M2. Sometimes they will take also M into N ratio, M to M ratio, M is to M ratio. Similarly, right, we can write here, similarly, Y is equal to, what is right there? M1, Y2 plus M2, Y1 divided by M1 plus M2. This is Y. Therefore, by section formula I can write, so point P na, right, P X Y you can write is equal to M1 X2 plus M2 X1 divided by M1 plus M2 and point M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 divided by M plus M2 M1. Right? This is the only formula. Okay? This point becomes M1 X2 alternative. Okay? Symmetry. M1 X2 M2 X1 divided by M1 plus M2. M1 Y2 M2 Y1 M1 plus M2. That's the thing. Derivation. Right? Let's see some special cases. Right? Special cases means very important here. the midpoint formula. Okay, midpoint formula you can get here. Okay, special cases. Special cases, right? First one is if ratio is, the line is k is to 1, this implies m1 becomes k and m2 becomes 1. If the ratio is like, if the line divides the ratio into k is to 1 or 1 is to k, what they given here? K is to 1, right? Right. K is to 1 or 1 is to k, whatever may be taken. The m1 is equal to k and m2 equal to 1. Therefore, the formula becomes, okay, p of x, y becomes, what is m1 here? Okay, m1 x2 na, k x2 plus x1 divided by k plus 1 and, okay, this is y2, m1 na, k ky2 plus y1 divided by k plus 1, ky2 plus y1. Then if okay, if m1 is equal to okay, m1 is to m2 is equal to 1 is to 1, this means m1 is equal to m2, m1 is equal to m2, what happens? This formula becomes, directly I am writing, okay, see 1 is to 1 na, 1 is to 1, m1 is equal to 1 is to 1 means m1 is equal to m2 is equal to 1 is to 1. Directly we can write x1 plus x2 divided by 2 into y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Section 4 have 3 cases, 2 cases, right? One case is if the line divides k is to 1 ratio, and another case is if the line divides becomes midpoint, the point becomes the midpoint of the line, or the line divides two equal parts. Okay, then okay, let's solve the problem based on the question. Right, questions. As I told, this is the only foundation videos, so definitely I will come up with question series. I will take the one book, this exercise part, and then which one? R.D. Sharma or R.S. Agarwal, right? Question number, sorry, question number 1. Question number 1 is easy, you can do it. Question number 2, example 7 here. Why they given 7? Right, in the same book, na? 7. In what ratio does the point minus 4, 6 divide the line segment joining the points, right? In what ratio does the point minus 4, 6 divide the line segment joining the points minus A 10 and B 3 minus 8? Okay, the given question is like that. The point is A and B. A is minus 6 and 10 and B is 3 and minus 8 and the point divides here minus 4 and 6. Right. Find the ratio. Okay, in what ratio? I have to find the m1 is to m2. M1 is to m2. Right. Let's solve it. There are two methods here, they given also. Then here we can do also. Okay. What the formula here? That's P of xy solution. P of xy we have, okay, m2 x1 plus m1 x2 divided by m plus m1 plus m2 and m2 y1 plus m1 y2 divided by m1 plus m2. The point they given, put the value -4 and 6. Put the value m2 is m2, x1 is -6 plus m1 is m1, x2 is 3 divided by m1 plus m2. Putting the value is very important. See, and almost geometry, easiest, okay, very easy to calculate, but if it order changes now, the whole answer becomes zero, negative, different answers, though, which is not considered for examinations. M2, what the y1 here into 10 plus m1 as it is, or the y2 here -8 divided by m1 plus m2, right? This implies, right, directly I am writing, see, -4 is equal to, this is x, this is y, okay, this is x, this is y, this is the whole x, this is the whole y, x becomes x now and y becomes y, right? What I am writing here, -4 into m1 plus m2 is equal to, directly writing, okay, 3m1 -6 m2, and we will solve by one by one, okay, -4 m1 -4 m2 is equal to 3 m1 -6 m2, okay. Bring the term here, okay, bring the, okay, 3 m1 plus 4 m1 is equal to bring 6 m2 minus 4 m2, 7 m1 is equal to 2 m2, therefore m1 by m2 is equal to 7 by 2. What the answer here? 2 by 7 or 7 by 2. m1 by m2 is equal to 2 by 7. 7 m1 as 2 by 7, right? 2 by 7. This is the answer. We don't need to take this one also. Only one is enough. Okay. Okay. They given also how to satisfy this y coordinate, but still, right? Let's check. What the y here? Y is equal to -6, na? 6 is equal to, what the condition here? m2 into 10 minus m1 into 8 by m1 plus m2. This is equal to, okay, what is m2 here? 7 into 10. What is m1 here? 2 into 8 divided by 9. This becomes 70 minus 60 by 9. This becomes 54 by 9. 9 on the 9 6, right? We are getting the verification. Therefore, this is the answer, right? Another easiest method is, okay, easiest method is, they also mentioned in the book. Okay. Just take the ratio is k is to 1. Okay, some point where it will be k is to 1. Right? But the formula of k is to 1, p of x y is equal to, right, k into x2 plus x1 divided by k plus 1 and k into y2 plus y1 divided by k plus 1. Okay, minus 4 and 6 is equal to what the k we don't know, or the value of 2 into 3 plus x1. Okay, directly we can write 6 divided by k plus 1 and y2 is minus 8k or y1 is plus minus 6 by k plus 1. Again, this is the x, this is the y, this is the x, the y. X would be x equal to na, and you should have 3k minus 6 divided by k plus 1 should be is equal to minus 4. 3k minus 6 is equal to 4k plus 1. 4k minus 3k, 4k minus 3k, 1k is equal to minus 7, right? K is equal to minus 7 means 3k minus 6 plus k plus 1. I am getting k equal to minus 7 here. Error is there something. 4k plus 4. 4k plus 4. And this is minus k, na? x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1 is minus k. This is minus 4. Yes. Mistakes, silly mistakes. Is equal to minus na, minus 4k minus 4. Cross multiplication. Okay. Bring k this side. 3k plus 4k is equal to 6 minus 4. 7k is equal to 2. K is equal to 7 by 2. Right? So here, what we consider here, see, m1 by m1 is to m2 na. So this can write m1k is equal to m2k. So this can write as m1 by m2, okay, into k by k is equal to 1. So this na whole value m1 by this becomes k is to 1, because k here, k is equal to m1 by m2. This is 7 by 2. Okay, k is to 1 means n is to 1. What is the confusion here? I have get 7, 2 by 7 again. Again, see, I am getting the confusion here. I wrote wrong and I am going to correct it. Okay, I am telling you wrote wrong and I am going to justify it another way. Okay, this is k is equal to 2 by 7. So, what is the value of here? K is equal to, see, m1 is to m2 na, right hand side. 2 is to 3, can write as, see, 2 into 3 is equal to 3 into 2. Can write? So here 3 and 2, okay, let's consider what the HCF here, 6, no? 2 is to 3 ratio. This can write as 2 into 3 is equal to 3 into 2. So here k is this one as 2 by 3 thing is here, something get confusion. Okay, this can write as m1 by m2 is equal to 1 is to 1 is to 1. So they taken k is equal to, this is k is to 1, where K is equal to M1 by M2. This condition, but here not is coming, right? Take the 2:3, what we can write, okay? 2x is equal to 3x, where you should get the same value, okay? 2 3 is the 3 3 is the 2 4 is the 3 4 is the only specific value is 6, na? 6 can write 2 into 3 and 3 into 2 here. It's not coming. Right? So 2 by 3 x into x is to 1 is to 1. Right? X is not exactly okay. 2x into 3x value is equal to, means 2 into 3 is equal to 3 into 2, right? Right. So this is 6, na? 6 equal to 6. Can I write as 6 by 6 is equal to 1. So this can write as K is to, okay, K is to 1 ratio, because 6 by 6 can write as 2 is to 3 by 3 is to 2. One thing get cancelled here. Okay, I'm not getting here. In next some classes I will clarify it. But the value is here, K is equal to M1 by M2 is in this ratio. We can divide it, okay? And have the formula also, we can use this formula with the line divided by K is to 1 ratio, right? So I am getting confusion here, okay? Na? That HCF method I have to use, HCF method, okay? 4 and 5 can write, and 20 is the LCM, 20 is LCM, na? And 20 is the LCM. I have take the HCF here, 4 is to 5 ratio, 4 into 5 can write 5 into 4. Let B, okay? It's not time to clarify also, okay? Answer is 2 by 7, and see here the K by 1. What the K means? M1 by M2, okay? Here we can divide, see here also, and simply we can divide by M1 and M2, okay? 4 is to 5, now you can divide by 4, can divide by 5, divide by 5, okay? 5 and the 5 and the cancel, 4 by 5 we got 1, okay? Like that, not 1 is 2. Similarly, M1 by M2 equal to 1. So what the K is? M1 by M2. This is the alternate method, right? Next question is, okay, easiest is find the coordinates of the points of, find the coordinates of the points of, okay, find the coordinates of the points of trisection, points dividing in 3 equal parts, trisection of the line segment joining AB. Then the line segment is there, AB. The question number 8, A, B. A is 2 and minus 2, and B is minus 7 and 4. Okay, trisection they are given. The condition is points P, points Q. Trisection means okay. Points Q. Or the given is AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. Okay, have to find the all these points AP, Q, and P and Q points, right? Let's consider this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. They given. So AP and PB divides in 2 ratio. So okay, AP by PB is 1 by 2 ratio. So this, okay, this point can I take as X now, X and Y by D, okay, section formula can divide now. AP by PB is 1 by 2. This is the 1 unit, 2 unit ratio. Therefore, point P is equal to solutions. Solution point P is equal to, right? APY is equal to point P is equal to, P means XY is equal to a formula M2 x1 plus M1 x2 M2 x1, right? M1 x2 can write x2 and M2 x1 divided by M1 plus M2 and M1 y2 plus M2 y1 divided by M1 plus M2. Okay, in 5 marks question or 6 marks question, 3 marks question, you have to write the formula first, then put the corresponding values. And this becomes, what is M1 here? 1. What is the x2 here? Minus 7. They are getting minus 7. Or the M2 is 2. X1 is 2 plus 2 into 2 divided by 1 plus 2. Or the M1 here? 1. Y2 is 4. Okay. 1 into 4. Okay. Plus minus M1 is, M2 is 2 into 2. Okay. Right. Minus 2. Let's get the clarification. Right. Write the symbol as it is. If you are getting confused, if you have the basic understanding of mathematics, you can write the direct answers. Okay, you can calculate the answer minus 7 plus 4, minus 3 by 3 you can get minus 1 answer, but not possible. Okay, minus 3 plus 4 is minus 3 is equal to minus 3 by 3 and 4 minus 4 is 0, 0 by 3 is becomes minus 1 and 0, right? For P is equal to, P becomes minus 1 and 0, and the answer here also minus 1 0. Then what about Q? Q again, see here, second equation. So AQ divided by QB divides 2:1 ratio, right? 2:1 ratio. Either if you want, see here 0 is there, na? PQ also we can 0. Okay, PQ and QB, right? PQ by QB is equal to 1:1 because P has 1 is 0, so we can solve the easiest way. Therefore, Q becomes midpoint formula. Q is a midpoint. Therefore, Q x y becomes, okay, x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. What is the x1 here? 1 minus 1 minus 7 divided by 2. Y1 is 0 plus 4 by 2. This is equal to minus 8 by 2 means minus 4 and 2. Minus 4, 2. Yes. Okay. If you got it, na? P and B become a line and Q becomes the exact division and Q becomes the midpoint formula. Apply the midpoint formula. What got to Q is equal to minus 1 0 and put the values, you get the corresponding values. Okay. Okay. Find the equation, find the points, ratio in which find the question number 9 is find the ratio in which y-axis divides the line segment joining the points 5 minus 6 minus 1 minus 4. Also find the point of intersection. Okay, points are on y-axis. Okay, find the ratio of the y-axis. Divide the line segment. Find the ratio. Okay, the given point is A. Question number 9. A and B, I think so. 5 and minus 6. Okay, 5 and minus 6 and minus 1 and minus 4. Also find the point of intersection. Okay, condition is find the ratio on which y-axis divide line segment. Okay, this is the y-axis, right? Y-axis 0 x y. So here point is always 0 and y. Very important point here. Very important. The point here on y-axis, x is 0. The point is 0 and y. Therefore, and also you take the formula line divided the k is to 1 ratio or 1 is to k ratio. Okay, it's near na. K is to 1 ratio. You can take the for simplification k is to 1 ratio. What the point here? Point P, okay, 0 and y, solution, right, is equal to what the k x2 plus x1 divided by k plus 1 m1 x2 and k y2 plus y1 divided by k plus 1. And this is, right, what is the k x2? X2 is minus k plus 5 by k plus 1 and y2 here, right, plus 5, y2 here, y2 is minus 4, minus 4k plus y1 minus 6 divided by k plus 1. So here x is 0, this implies minus k plus 5 by k plus 1 is equal to 0. This implies k is equal to 5. So k becomes 5. Right? So again you can put the values. Okay, put the values in this equation. This, so y is equal to what? Minus 4k minus 6 divided by k plus 1. This is minus 4 into 5 minus 6 divided by 5 plus 1. This is minus 20 minus 6 divided by 6. This becomes minus 26 by 6. This becomes minus 13 by 2. Right? 2 13s are 2, 3s are 3. Therefore, the required point becomes 0 and y is x is 0 and minus 13 by 3. The answer is yes. Right, and I'm going to conclude the class because okay, in exercise part they are also very easy, right, very easy. So in next class now what I will do, I will come up with the answers. Okay, same questions, many questions, okay, from different source books. This is the enough, I think so. I given the section formula and whatever this one solutions, some different questions. Okay, only things is point sum. Okay, point x-axis. If the line divides this, you should take the point as 0 and y, and if the line divides here, you should take the x and 0. Okay, point may be a here, point may be b here, point may be a here, point may be b here, and use the formula k is to 1 formula. You will get the easiest result, right? Easiest result, right? If dividing the 0, again becomes 0, Okay, if it is 0, dividing this one is A, this is B. Again, put the values. P becomes 0 here. P becomes 0. Therefore, P of 0 and 0 is equal to same. Okay, capital X and capital Y. Again, M2 X1, M1 X2 plus M2 X1 divided by M plus N. Like that. Make it 0 and you will get the corresponding coordinates. Right? And distance formula, you know, D is equal to D is equal to X2 minus X1 distance formula. There are only 3 formula in this chapter. Okay, one is D is equal to under root of X2 minus X1 whole square plus Y2 minus Y1 whole square. Okay, second is D is equal to square root of X square minus Y square with origin. Okay, not in origin, not from origin. Okay, other one is section formula. Section formula is P of X Y is equal to M1 X2 plus M2 X1 divided by M1 plus M2. Okay, symmetry M1 X2 M2 X1. Similarly, M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 divided by M1 plus M2. Okay, the point is ratios. Okay, for M is to M ratio, M1 is to M2 ratio. The point, corresponding point is equal to which one? K into X2 plus X1 divided by K plus 1 and K into Y2 divided by Y1 divided by K plus 1 for the K is to 1 ratio. Right? K is to 1 ratio. Or the midpoint formula? Okay. Midpoint formula is P of XY is equal to X1 plus X2 divided by 2 and Y1 plus Y2 divided by 2 for M1 is to M2. Okay, M1 is equal to M2 or M1 is to M2 is equal to 1 is to 1. Midpoint formula. Then the points is origin. How will get the origin? Right? Or you think so? Another point one is P of 0, 0. Okay. If they given origin, the line crosses the origin. Okay, passes to the origin, then should write this one M1 X2 plus you can write the K1 and K2 also. Okay, K into X2 plus X1 divided by K plus 1 and K Y2 plus Y1 divided by K plus 1. This implies, okay sir, just put the value of this X, this is Y. X equal to 0, we will get K equal to something else. Right? X equal to 0, K equal to something else. Put the value here, Y. Put value here, value of K, we will get the Y. Again, if we put the Y equal to 0, we will get the K equal to something. And put the value of X, K here, we will get the value of X. Right? This is the thing here only. So, I think so. We have completed the 7 chapters successfully, means half of the syllabus. So remaining service, okay, trigonometry is nice stuff, very important, okay, very easy also. Trigonometry, applying trigonometry and theorems, solution, mean and medians, statistics, probability, which are the next chapters are. I think so. Triangles, trigonometry, application trigonometry, circle. Construction is not for your syllabus. Area is only one chapter, one concept is there. Surface areas and volumes, and statistics, probability tools mathematics and mathematical modeling. Okay, last two chapters are easiest and easiest, right? Remaining are okay, some questions are from based, some questions are applied based. Anyway, this month I will try to complete the whole syllabus by end of the September. Yes, end of September. So in October onwards, for the board exam, only solutions, sums we can cover. Okay, and thanks for watching. Those who are watching, please comment on the comment box. See, I can improve. See, your feedbacks are to improve myself. Okay, so if you're giving feedbacks, if you give feedbacks, then I can improve. Otherwise, I will follow the same method every day. Okay, and okay, bye. And thanks for the watching.